Yeah guys, quick little update here. I've got the flywheel off. It's sitting there with the little coupling and the bolt. I just wanted to show you a little something. This is probably what happens when you have a rod knock. There would have to be one reason, and that's why it's got a rod knock. That's probably the worst I've actually seen before. Just a little update there. Well, this is where I'm up to, guys. I'm on to this one now. This one's completely pulled apart. Blades there. That's how I knew it was. Blades and everything was still intact. Flywheel. Everything's there. And that engine's there. Muffler. The base of it. And that basically, that's going to have the same treatment done on it. And that then, I think what I'm going to do is, it'll either get done today or some other time. The bases will get washed, and that I'll wash them wheels up as well, and like, I think I'm going to do the head on it. The head will get a clean down, and I think from there that'll be it, because that engine probably will get rebuilt from the parts from that, I'd assume. Then I'm going to go from there. So, and that I'll put this into one video, and that's what I've got now. And that then, after I've done a fair bit on that one, and that I'll get back to yous. And once it's fully done, I'll get back to yous, then I will go from there. Thanks guys.